Okay. In this video, we will solve question number 3, 4, and 5. This question is related to swimming, real life application, not a plain mathematical problem. This person swims 200 meters in the first week. Each week, he swims 30 meters more than the previous week. He continues for 1 year, that is 52 weeks. How far does he swim in the final week? That is in the last week, which is 52nd week. And how far does he swim altogether? Clearly, this is an arithmetic sequence because you can see that he swims 30 meters more than the previous week. Every week he is swimming 30 meters more. So the value 30 is a constant. The constant value, that means constant difference. Nowhere in this problem they mention it's arithmetic, but if you pick up the right word, right content, you will understand whether it's an arithmetic sequence or any other sequence. Here the difference is constant, which is 30, so it is an arithmetic sequence. So let's start with the collection of terms. He swims 200 meters in the first week. First week, that is U1, which is 200. 30 meters more than the previous week. Again, previous week means what? Next week minus previous week is 30. So difference is 30. And he carries out total 52 weeks. So N is 52, not UN is 52. N is 52 because we are relating this problem to the number of weeks. Now, how far does he swim in the final week? So basically, we are dealing with the swimming part. So we need to know how much he swim in the final week means what? U52. We are again using the same term formula, which is U1 plus N minus 1 times T. So U52, which is N is 52 minus 1, difference is 30, so times 30, and U1 is 200, so 200 plus. You are allowed to use a calculator. So first you calculate 52 minus 1 is 51 times 30. Which is 1530. So 200 plus 1530. So totals, how much he swim in the last week is 1530 plus 200 is 1730. As you see, it is a application problem, so please write down in words or use the units if they have given. So this is the end of the first part. Second part, how far does he swim altogether? Altogether means they are asking to find out the sum. And we know the first week 200, last week 1730, N is 52. So we will use second formula, that is, you can use first formula, but I am using second formula because it's a short formula. U1 plus UN. So in this case, altogether, that means total 52 weeks. 52 over 2. U1 is 200 and U52 is 1730. Calculate 200 plus 1730, which is 1930. 52 over 1 is 26 times 1930 is final value is altogether value, which is 50180 meter. This is the answer of second part. Fourth question. Let Sn be a sum of first n terms of an arithmetic sequence, whose first three terms are u1, u2 and u3. They haven't given the value of u1, u2 and u3. We are supposed to find out that. It is known that S1 is 7, S2 is 18. Write down u1. So let's start with the first term. S1 is 7. S1 means what? Sum of first term. Sum of first term, that means only first term. That means u1, which is basically given as 7. So you got your first part, A is u1 is equal to 7. Second, calculate the common difference. We know that common difference is next term, which is u2 minus u1. We know u1 is 7. We calculated from first, but we don't know u2. But they have given one more condition, that is S2. We will use that condition. S2 basically sum of first two terms. I said sum of first two terms. That means first term plus second term. S2 is given as 18. U1 we found out, that is 7. U2 we don't know, we will find out. Take this 7 on this side. 18 minus 7 is equal to u2. So final answer u2 is equal to 11. This is not my solution because u2 is not my common difference. We will use this condition here and we will find out difference is equal to u2, which is 11, u1, which is 7. So your difference is equal to 4. This is second part. Last part, they ask calculate the value of u4. u4, straightforward un formula. Un formula given in a formula booklet, u1 plus n minus 1 times t. We will write down un as u4. u1 we calculated as 7. N is given as 4. Minus 1 and difference we calculated from the first part, which is 4. We don't need a calculator for this. So 7 plus 4 minus 1 is 3 times 4. So u4 is equal to 7 plus 12. So final part u4 is equal to 90. This problem is over at this position. Next question. Last question of this video. Consider the arithmetic sequence 2, 5, 8 and 11. And if you'll see, they are asking directly 101 term. Not possible, time consuming. Even if the difference is 2, you cannot write up to 101. You have to show some working. As you know, it is a u, so we will use the term formula. For that purpose, we need to collect the information. Your first term is given u1 is equal to 2. Your difference is given 5 minus 2, which is 3. Or even if you will do 8 minus 5, still 3. Or even if you will do 11 minus 8, is still 3. And you need to find out u101. We will use un formula. u1 plus n minus 1 times t. Below un I am writing u of 101. So comparison, your n should be 101. I am filling up that first. 101 minus 1. Use bracket wisely. Difference is t. Write down 3. u1 is 2. 2 plus. You don't need a calculator for this, because 101 minus 1 is 100 times 3 is 300. So u of 101 is equal to 2 plus 300, which is 302. First part is over. Second, they said un is 152. And they ask find the value of n. Again, term formula, un is equal to u1 plus n minus 1 times t. un is 152. n we don't know, we will keep it as it is. We know difference is 3, write down, plus we know difference is u, first term is u, write down. To find out n, you first need to take this, you cannot isolate or you cannot divide first 3, you need to isolate this term. That means to get rid of 2. So if you'll do 152 negative 2 is equal to n minus 1 times 3. Here first time I am not opening the bracket because it is possible without using a calculator. 152 minus 2 is 150 is equal to n minus 1 times 3. Divide both sides by 3. So it becomes 150 divided by 3 is equal to n minus 1 times 3 divided by 3. This and this get cancelled. This becomes 50. So 50 is equal to n minus 1. To isolate n, you need to take 1 on this side, becomes addition. So 50 plus 1 is equal to n. So final answer n is equal to 51. This is the end of this video. Thank you.